On the opening day of the fourth test between India and Australia, a rare and exciting contest unfolded as Jasprit Bumrah, one of world's finest pacers, found himself in a fierce battle against Australia's 19-year-old debutant Sam Constas. Sam Constas, known for his unconventional shots, took on Bumrah in a way few would dare. He hit the Indian pacer for 2 sixes during his impressive 60-run knock. But for Bumrah, it wasn't just about the runs, it was about the battle. It was an interesting challenge. I always felt like I was in the game. In those first 2 overs, honestly, I felt like I could have got him out 6 or 7 times. Cricket's funny like that though. Some days your execution's perfect, but you don't get the wickets. Other days, it works out. That's the nature of the game. Despite the challenge, Jasprit Bumrah stayed calm and collected. His confidence never flattered, even as Sam Constas went after him. In Jasprit Bumrah's mind, every ball bowled was still an opportunity for a breakthrough. I love these challenges, especially here in Australia. It always brings the best out of me. The wickets are flat, and that new Kookaburra ball, sometimes it swings, sometimes it doesn't. Your accuracy gets tested, your patience gets tested. But when you come through it, it feels like a big achievement. With a total of 25 wickets in the Border Gavaskar Trophy so far, Jasprit Bumrah's consistency in challenging conditions is what sets him apart. In the ongoing test, he ended the day with figures of 4 for 99, proving his skill and endurance once again. But it's not just the young debutants who test Bumrah. The battle against Steve Smith, one of the most unconventional but brilliant batters in the world, has always been one for the ages. Steve Smith, he's always a challenge. He's so unorthodox. Sometimes he's shuffling. Sometimes he is not. He's difficult to read because he scores in so many areas. But that's the beauty of bowling to him. You have to be absolutely consistent, keep your line and length spot on. It's always a good battle when you face him. Jasprit Bumrah's battles with Steve Smith are legendary. Each one an intense contest, a chess match between a bowler's discipline and a batter's unpredictability. We have had some great battles over the years in all formats. Steve Smith's one of the greats of the game. When you bowl to someone like that, it just pushes you to be better. As the series progresses, the battle between bat and ball will continue to unfold. For Jasprit Bumrah, every challenge is an opportunity to grow, to test his skills against the best. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.